Squeeze toothpaste onto a banana, and you'll always do it this way. Start by choosing a ripe banana. Bananas are not only a tasty snack, but they're also a true treasure of nutrients. Cut the banana in half and peel it. You'll need the banana peel, so don't throw it away. Eat the fruit as a snack. Bananas provide energy, improve mood, and support muscle function. Now take a spoon and scrape the white, slightly fibrous layer from the inside of the banana peel. This layer contains whitening enzymes, minerals, and antioxidants. Add the collected pulp to a bowl. Now add about 3 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide. It's a natural bleaching agent that eliminates bacteria and discoloration. Next, add half a small teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda removes deposits, has antibacterial properties, and neutralizes acids. Finally, squeeze some toothpaste. Toothpaste contains fluoride and cleaning agents. Now mix everything thoroughly until you get a smooth paste. Transfer the mixture to a tightly sealed jar. Apply the paste to a toothbrush and brush your teeth. After just one use, you'll feel that your teeth are smooth, clean, and free from deposits. Regular use of this homemade paste will help naturally whiten your teeth and improve oral health. Mix the paste with vinegar, and the result will surprise you. Start by preparing a large glass container. Pour in 200 milliliters of vinegar. Vinegar is a natural cleaning and degreasing agent. It dissolves limescale, hard water deposits, and stubborn dirt. It also has antibacterial properties, eliminating bacteria and unpleasant odors. Into the container with vinegar, squeeze about 2 inches of toothpaste. Toothpaste has polishing, shining, and stain-removing properties. Then, add 2 tablespoons of table salt. Salt acts as a natural, mildly abrasive scrub that removes stubborn dirt and burnt-on stains. It also has disinfecting and degreasing properties. Mix everything thoroughly. Next, take a spray bottle and use a funnel to pour the mixture into it. This DIY cleaner takes cleaning to a whole new level. Spray the mixture onto sinks or areas with deposits. Use a sponge to scrub the surfaces vigorously. Hard water stains come off effortlessly, removing tough marks and unpleasant odors. The sink becomes shiny and spotless. You can also use this cleaner for washing dirty dishes. It's a simple and eco-friendly way to maintain cleanliness. Don't use a foot file. This toothpaste trick softens heels, removes calluses and dry skin, leaving your feet as smooth as a baby's. All you need is regular toothpaste. Squeeze a tablespoon into a small bowl. It has antibacterial properties, soothes inflammation, and dries out skin issues. Add a tablespoon of white sugar for gentle exfoliation. The sugar crystals will help remove dead skin while being delicate on your feet. Next, mix in a tablespoon of olive oil for hydration and regeneration. Stir everything well until you get a scrub-like paste. Apply the paste with a toothbrush using circular motions on your heels, soles, and any calluses. The brush not only removes dry skin, but also massages the feet, improving circulation. Make sure to cover the entire foot, then wrap it in aluminum foil. Press the foil gently to fit snugly against the skin and leave it on for 20 minutes. This boosts the paste's effect and keeps things clean. When time's up, remove the foil and wipe your feet with a damp towel in circular motions, pressing lightly to remove the paste and dead skin. The results are amazing. Soft, smooth feet with no trace of dryness. No more foot files. Doing this once every 2 weeks will completely transform your skin, making even the roughest heels feel soft and cushiony. Your teeth will be white thanks to this homemade paste. Start by taking a fresh ginger root and peeling it. Ginger is a natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory ingredient. Cut the ginger into smaller slices. This will help release its valuable components during mixing. Next, take a lime and cut it in half. Lime is rich in vitamin C, which strengthens the gums. Squeeze the juice from both halves. The natural acidity of lime acts as a mild whitening agent. Pour the juice into a small bowl and add 1 small teaspoon of salt. It helps remove plaque and supports the fight against bacteria. Mix the ingredients thoroughly. Now, add a small amount of toothpaste. Your regular toothpaste will enrich the mixture with fluoride. Finally, add the previously prepared ginger and mix everything until you get a smooth consistency. Apply the paste to your toothbrush and brush your teeth. You will feel a refreshing taste and gentle cleansing. Your teeth will be smooth, shiny, and free from deposits. Apply toothpaste on your nails. You'll be pleasantly surprised by the effect. It's a method for healthy and strong nails, both on your hands and feet. Toothpaste will brighten the nail plate and remove discoloration from nail polish. But that's not all. Mix the toothpaste with another product for an even better effect. Prepare salt and pour 1 tablespoon into a container. Salt contains many trace elements that strengthen the nail plate and accelerate its growth. Add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste to the salt. In addition to removing discoloration, toothpaste has antibacterial properties. Pour 1 tablespoon of warm coconut oil, you can also use olive oil, into the mixture. The oil will nourish and moisturize the nails and the skin around the nails. The final ingredient is 1 tablespoon of warm water. Mix all the ingredients into a uniform mass. Welcome to my website. How do you take care of your nails? Let me know which city or country you're watching from. If your nails are in poor condition, apply the mixture daily for a few days. Gently rub and massage the nail plate. This will help remove impurities and eliminate bacteria and microorganisms that can accumulate under the nails. Leave the conditioner on for 10 minutes. After this time, you will see the effects of this extraordinary mask. Perform such treatments regularly. Repeat them after a few days' break. Your nails will become stronger. They won't break easily. Stains, discoloration, and signs of fungal infection will disappear. This is one of those methods that are not expensive, but effective. Good luck. Mix toothpaste with Vaseline and you'll be safer in the summer. Everyone should know this trick. When it starts to get warm, I grab cosmetic Vaseline. It has almost healing properties. It doesn't absorb into the skin as much, but stays on its surface. It creates a protective layer that perfectly shields the skin from external factors like rain, wind, or sun. It retains moisture and softens the skin. Prepare a small container. Put a bit of Vaseline in it. Get the toothpaste ready. It can be any toothpaste. Toothpaste has a cooling effect. It contains antibacterial compounds. It soothes inflammations. Squeeze toothpaste and add it to the Vaseline bowl. Mix these 2 ingredients thoroughly into a uniform mass. When the mixture is smooth, transfer it to a smaller container with a lid. It can be a small cream jar. This way, it's easier to store, and you can always take it with you. This mixture perfectly soothes itching, inflammations, and local pain. In the case of mosquito bites, just apply a bit of this paste to feel immediate relief. This mixture cools the skin and reduces the itching sensation. You can also use it for cold sores, scratches, and burns. It's a safe home remedy for children and adults,